So I have some good news and some bad news for you. The bad news is your CRM is failing if you don't have this one thing. Now you might be thinking, how is it possible it's only one thing? Like, how could one little thing make all the difference? But the reality is, if your CRM doesn't have this one thing, then your business's CRM is failing your business. And it may not be failing you right now, but it will fail you eventually. Hey, welcome back to Business Fundamentals. I'm the Business Cowgirl. Here we talk about your business's technical setup with my 8 years of experience as a business consultant, CRM designer, and ClickFunnels enthusiast. I'm here to help make your business run smoothly and effectively. Remember, your technology is going to do exactly what you tell it to, even if it's not the best idea. So let's avoid that and dive into today's topic. So I don't want to bury the lead or anything. The one thing your CRM needs is one source of truth. So your business's CRM will fail if your business CRM does not represent one source of truth. Having seen this so many times, the one consistent thing that I saw across the board was if your business does not have one source of truth, meaning that all of your softwares correlate or coagulate or whatever in one place. If I said, okay, let's all drive to dinner, right? Everybody is going to get in a completely different car. They're all going to take a completely different route, but we're all going to end up in the same spot. So let all the different types of cars represent all the different possible CRMs there are on the market. For everything from a highly functional spreadsheet through to, Salesforce, right? This is the Prius versus the Tesla, and there is every solution in between and you can use any of them. That's not what this point is. The point is that if you use a different marketing software from your CRM, from your finance, and from your service and support, then that means that you actually have 5 sources of truth and not one source of truth, because businesses are basically 5 main departments. And this doesn't include, admin in the sense of the people who manage all these people. Your business basically has 5 main departments: marketing, sales, service, support, and finance. And if all 5 of these things don't meet in one place, then your business does not have one source of truth. And what does that really mean? Why am I saying that is going to make your business fail? It means that you're not seeing the whole picture when you log into one of the 5 softwares that you're using to control any of these areas. It means that your marketing statistics and your marketing decisions are being made separate from your sales statistics and your sales decisions, which is being made separate from your service and support. Say that your marketing and your sales, your inbound is great, but you're losing things on, service and customer retention. Through support, you're losing your customer retention. If you have all 5 of these metrics being tracked separately in 5 separate softwares, how are you going to be able to correlate that it's not a marketing problem you have, it's the customer retention rate that you have a problem with? If you're not able to see all these metrics in one place, then you're unable to make decisions from the whole picture and not just one aspect or one view of whatever your business picture is. And lastly, just to tie this off with a nice little bow, just because your business does not have one source of truth right now does not mean you can't develop one source of truth. And the key to this is automation. The key to developing one source of truth is making sure that whatever your marketing software you have feeds into your sales, and then your service and your customer support feed back into your CRM. So everything, all the data from all of those apps that you use, because you don't have to use the same software for everything, but all of those softwares have to communicate to create one picture for your business. So just because your CRM is failing you now doesn't mean that it can't be successful for you later. Furthermore, don't think that you're going to be able to flip this like a switch. This is a process as your business grows and scales. This is a process you develop as your business grows with you. Eventually, you're going to be able to create one entire source of truth. Now, depending on where you're at in the business journey, it could mean that you have one source of truth in your one spreadsheet, or you could be using Salesforce, but you're not really using it to get all your data in one place to be able to make your best informed decisions for all of your different team members. So you could fall anywhere on this scale. That's why I built the CRM gap assessment. So it's a really short quiz Takes probably 5 minutes, and at the end of it, you're going to get a comprehensive overview of how you're doing on your data management versus your customer interactions versus your sales and marketing, your reporting, and also your customer support. So it's going to be just 5 minutes worth of questions for you to get an idea of where you're at on the scale of functional CRM to, we got to work on this. And like I said, just because you're failing right now doesn't mean you can't develop it for the future. See you on the next one.